With the floor removed, I could see the rear cabin needed some major repair, which ended up being my very first attempt at fabricating a panel by hand. I used some very basic tools for this: an old handbag filled with sand, a section of old railway track, a shop put ball, a vise, and some hammers. This really was a trial and error experiment, working out how the metal will react with different treatment. My very early attempt at welding was very slow, but pleasing. A lot more welding to be done. I spent countless hours fitting and filing this piece in. Had I have known what I know now, it would have been much quicker, but that's our learning journey. We'll have to see how this gap welds up. The rest looks pretty good. This was a great panel to learn welding with. It's a panel that won't be visible in the end, and its curves make it pretty forgiving with shrinkage. But I still managed to burn a few holes, and with experimentation and research I learned how to minimize this. I learnt that MIG welding won't stick to brass or copper. So if you use it as backing, you can build up your weld to plug gaps and holes. I don't suggest you pull out your home plumbing, but if you can get your hands on some used copper pipes, you can make some backing plates. That worked.